Hi friends, Kelsey here at Cloud9 Workshop. I wanted to show you a new project that we're making in the Maker Studio where it involves making cool little paper boxes. And here is how you would make a paper box. First, I'll show you how this one unfolds, and then I'll show you how to fold one yourself. So you're going to start with a piece of paper. Now, if your paper isn't square, you've got to make it square. And to make paper square, you just put it in a triangle, fold it up. You can either draw a line or just cut it, and that's going to give you a nice square shape to start with. So a lot of origami papers already start square, but in the event you don't have one, you can make one. So you start with that square piece of paper, and you're going to fold it in half. And the first intention with all of these folds is really just to get those creases made. So with origami and paper folding, precision does matter. And you can see I'm folding these triangles into the center, lining them up with those initial folds that I had made. These can be made in all kinds of sizes. I've been making them since I was, I don't know, 8, 7 years old. So I have made a ton of these over time, and they're super useful and fun. So then you open up two of the flaps, and now we're going to fold this to the center. Once you're done, you're going to unfold them and do those same folds to your other side. You, of course, can slow this video down so that you can do it a little more step by step, or come on into the studio and we're happy to show you how to do it. Okay, so we've got those folds made. Now the little tricky magic part where you're going to push in these triangles, creates a flap that then comes over. I'll show that one more time so you can see it. So you're going to push in the flaps, then fold that over and repeat it on the other side. You'll see there's these folds to make the square, and then you're going to fold it in and fold the flap over. And then it takes just a little bit of sort of massaging those folds into place. And there you have it, the top of your paper box. To make the bottom, just remember you need to make the square a little bit smaller so that one can fit right inside the other.